Hi, hello everyone. Today we are going to download and install for BI. So here you will write Power BI. You can see the first one, Microsoft Power BI data visualization. You will click on this, and here you will click on the product Power BI desktop. Then here you will not click on the download free, you will click on the see download or language option. Then click on download. Then here, if your system is 64-bit, you will click on this. If not, you will click on this one. But my system is 64, so I have checked on this one, and then go to next. So it will take some time. After some time, uh, yeah, downloading of this application will be started. As you can see, it will take some time, and after some time it will be downloaded. Here you can see this application is has been downloaded. We will see how to install this application. So double click on this application. It will take some time. Next. Next. I accept the term in the license agreement, and next. Next. Install. Yeah, it will take some time, and after some time the installation will be completed and you can use Power BI software. So now the installation has been started. It will take a few minutes. So yeah, here you can see the software has been successfully installed, and yeah, click on finish. So guys, please subscribe my channel for upcoming amazing videos regarding these Power BI software and other softwares. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.